Hello players, today we are going to review Nivea's marker football shoes. Reasons to buy. One professional footballer was really impressed by the comfort Nivea marker gave from the inside. He was able to play an entire football tournament. The best part about his review was that he shot knuckleball free kicks with marker. Compared to the price in which this football shoe is available, users were impressed by the design, comfort, and the lightweight of the shoe. Various football players admitted that their ball control and dribbling improved after wearing Nivea marker. Reviewers loved how the ankle grip would help the football boots fit perfectly around the ankle and the heel. The golf ball dimple like texture on the upper really helped footballers perform some skills in matches. Footballers admired the grip these football boots provided on the surface. The TPU sole consists of 12 triangular studs. Many users recommend to buy the exact size and not to go for one size larger. Many reviewers recommend to use Nivea marker on hard grounds with grass. Beginners and occasional footballers were satisfied with the price, which is under Rs 1000, and the comfort Nivea marker gave. One footballer claimed that marker is a good football shoe for wide as well as narrow feet players. Reasons not to buy Nivea marker. Many reviewers complained about the low durability of the football boots. The gluing wore off, thereby separating the sole and the upper. Users also criticized the sole since it is not flexible. One footballer reported that the sole of his Nivea marker got ruptured within 3 months of use. Reviewers also complained about the padding inside the football shoe and that it should have been more comfortable. The upper, made up of PU synthetic leather, and the inner fabrics absorbed water when playing in small amounts of rain, which then made Nivea marker a bit heavy. These football boots should never be used on hard grounds without grass, concrete pitches, and in heavy rains. One reviewer criticized the make of this shoe since the sole came off in just 10 days. A predecessor to Nivea Ashtang, marker is available in only one color combination, green and black. Conclusion. Nivea marker is a good football shoe if you want a football shoe that could last for 6 months to 1 year. It could last more if you are an occasional footballer. The sole has a good grip, upper helps get a better ball control, and the shoe is comfortable because of the ankle grip. Nivea marker lacks flexibility and durability. Until it breaks the first time, it is a great football shoe. These are the perfect football studs if you are just starting out and want a shoe costing less than Rs 1000. If this review was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Have a Good Game channel on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope you players have a good game.